practice set 4.2. Question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeters, angle XYZ equal to 45 degree, and XY minus XZ equal to 2.7 centimeters. So according to the question, whatever we will draw the figure, that is here the triangle XYZ. Okay, so but the distance between XY and XZ is 2.7 centimeters. So how to draw a figure? Let us take the base first, that is YZ, Y and Z, 7.4 centimeters, and next take angle Y equal to 45 degree. On Y keep protractor and mark 45 degree, extend it 45 degree. Next XY minus XZ equal to 2.7. so what to do is, with rounder we will take 2.7 centimeters and cut small arc by keeping on point Y. So here we will take one arc, whatever intersection point, this point is not X, this is the any other point, I am taking it as P. Okay, now this extra point whatever we are taking, that point join with Y. This is the construction whatever we have to do. So this extra line whatever drawn, PZ, this length we will bisect. So draw the bisector here by taking more than half of this length, then the bisector will be, it crosses exact half, like this it crosses. Okay, and wherever this bisector, this measure is, these both the measures are equal and this is perpendicular bisector, and wherever the point meets, this point is X. Why it is X? See here, see, join this X and Z, the length distance from XZ and XP both are equal. We know the property. Which property? On the bisector, whatever the point on the bisector, perpendicular bisector, from that point whatever line drawn, these two lines are equal from the end points. This is the bisector and X is the point on the bisector. bisector के ऊपर X एक point है और वहाँ से end points को जो line draw होता है वो equal measures का है. Okay, the line drawn from the point on the bisector are equidistant from the end points. This is the property or theorem we can say. So if these two measures are equal, now see the theory here. According to the question, this bisector will consider as L. So line L is perpendicular bisector of seg PZ, bisector of PZ, and therefore XP is equal to XZ. XP is equal to XZ because X is on the point of bisector, on the point on the bisector. X is the point on the bisector. So now here we know XP measure, PY measure is 2.7 centimeter. Theoretically I am proving this. PY is equal to 2.7 centimeters and XY is equal to XP plus PY. See, this is the full length XY. So inside this full length we have two parts. One is XP, another one is YP. XP plus YP. And here XY as it is, XP as it is, instead of PY I will take 2.7 centimeters. So now take this side, XY minus XP is equal to 2.7 centimeters, and we know from equation 1 instead of XP we can take XZ. XP and XZ are equal. So XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. This is whatever asked in the given in the question. XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeters. So theoretically also it is proved. Now let us do the construction. Here first I will take the base, that is 7.4 4 centimeters. .4 centimeters YZ. Next, keep angle 45 degrees on Y. 45 comes in between 50 and 40, middle, and join the line and extend it. .45 degree. Now take 2.7 centimeters with rounder, 2.7 centimeters, and keep on point Y and cut the arc. Wherever it meets, this is the extra point we are taking, P, and join P and Z. P and Z. Now we are bisecting this. How to bisect? Take more than half measure of PZ and cut arcs both the sides of PZ. Now join these lines, these intersection points. See, wherever this line and bisector mark, this is compulsory to mark perpendicular, and wherever it meets, this point is X. Now join X and Z. So according to the property, XP and XZ measures are equal. So now here the bisector name is, this line is L. Okay, so whatever the length X, Y, Z, this is the triangle, whatever needed, whatever asked in the question. Draw XYZ such that YZ is 7.4 centimeter, angle Y is 45 degree, and XY minus XZ equal to 2.7. Now see this XY measure. XY measure is 2.7 something is there. Sorry, not 2.7. Here 9.7. 9.7 we are getting. And XZ measure is exact 7. So 7. If you will subtract, you will get 2.7, whatever asked in the question. So this is the figure we need.